Wie-Fragewörter Question words. Das Fragewort wie, question word how. The question word wie means how in German. It is used to ask about the condition or manner of someone or something. To ask how are you doing in German using the question word wie, one could say wie geht es dir or wie geht's. Wie geht's here is the contracted form of wie geht es dir. Notice that wie geht es dir translates to how is it going to you. This is the literal translation, which means how are you. One could answer as mir geht es gut, danke, which means it is going good to me. This is the literal translation, which means I am doing good, thank you. Or simply one can say gut, danke, which means good, thank you. Let's see the different ways of answering the question wie geht's or how are you. One could say sehr gut, danke, which means very good, thank you. Or nicht so gut, which means not so good. One could also say es geht, which means my day is going neither so good nor so bad. It is going so. One could also say gut, danke, which means good, thank you. Or if you're having a bad day, you can say sehr schlecht. That means maybe I'm not having a very good day, I'm having a bad day. So I can say mir geht es sehr schlecht or sehr schlecht. We also use the question word wie to ask about someone's personal information like name, age, address, email ID, telephone number, etc. To ask about someone's age, you would say wie alt bist du? Or how old are you? Notice that this is the informal way of asking someone's age. We also use the question word wie to ask someone's name. For example, wie ist dein Name? This is the informal way of asking. Notice that literally it translates to how is your name because wie means how. But it implies we are asking what is your name. So in German, we use the question word wie to ask about someone's name. Wie ist Ihr Name? This is the formal way of asking somebody's name, which means what is your name? Wie heißt du? Another way of asking somebody's name is wie heißt du? The verb heißt is the conjugated form of the verb heißen, which means to be called. So, wie heißt du translates to how are you called, which means what is your name. The formal way of asking somebody's name is wie heißen Sie. This is using the verb heißen. To ask about someone's email address, we will again use the question word wie. For example, wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Or formal, wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? Both translate to what is your email address. So, let's learn a few questions using the question word wie. Wie heißt das auf Deutsch? Which means, how do you say that in German? Wie ist dein Handynummer? What is your mobile number? Wie ist dein Vorname? What is your first name? Wie ist dein Familienname? What is your surname? Wie heißt das Wort auf Deutsch? How do you say this word in German? Wie spät ist es? What time is it? Wie war dein Tag? How was your day? And wie viel kostet das? How much does that cost?